So in statistics, when we refer to the distribution of data, we mainly have three words that we need to be able to link to three different kinds of pictures. Now, obviously, with distribution of data, we have data that is firstly normally distributed. Now, data that is distributed normally, you will normally have a picture like this one in most of your textbooks. Now, with this image, it also has a certain box and whisker diagram that is linked to an image like this one. Now, that box and whisker diagram, you can almost guess it, looks something like this. So everything is somewhat evenly distributed. Obviously, this is, rare. However, when we work with statistics, we know that we can use this as like a mini reference point. So that's for normal distribution. You will have an image that is somewhat uniform. Now, apart from just judging with your image, you also need to follow a calculation as well that will help you determine whether or not your data is actually normally distributed. Now, that formula basically says mean is equal to median is equal to mode. If you have values to work with, you can just verify with this. If your mean is equal to your median and also equal to your mode, then you have data that is distributed normally. With the other two variations, so if you have data that is somewhat distributed in this manner, for a sketch like this one, your box and whisker diagram will look something like this. Now, this kind of data we refer to as data that is skewed to the left. So the one thing to look for is where you have the tail. So the portion where where the tail is going, that's how skewed your data is. So to make better sense of data that is skewed to the left, we can just draw a diagram to represent data that is skewed to the right. It's something like that. So data where you see that the tail is going to the right, that is skewed right. So obviously with skewed to the left data or skewed to the right data, you also have a mini formula that you can always use to verify if you have values to verify with. Now, for data that is skewed to the left, your mean minus your median should just be smaller than a 0. For data that is skewed right, your mean minus your median should just be bigger than 0. So in terms of the distribution of data, this is what you somewhat need to know. However, for the one that's skewed to the right, we also need to draw a box and whisker diagram there quickly. There we go. Now we say the one thing to look for in terms of determining where it's left skewed or skewed to the left or skewed to the right is where the tail is going. You see the tail, it's going to the left, so it's skewed left. The tail is going to the right, so it's skewed to the right. Here, it's not skewed anywhere, so it's normal distribution, or you can refer to as symmetric. The data is distributed symmetrically. That's for normal distribution. Now with these three, they are somewhat your only three options in terms of determining the distribution of your data.